Hi, welcome. My name is Anuradha Kotha. First and foremost, I want this to be a space where you can come if you are seeking if you're asking yourself questions like, who am I? What am I here to do? I'm looking for support and relationship and so on that supports me. I want to feel fulfilled and content in my life. And you're asking all these seeking questions. I want first and foremost this space to be a place where you can come with those questions without feeling judgment. I want to really encourage people who are in this space to come to this space with their agency, with their sovereignty, with feeling there's a place that they can be witnessed and seen and felt and held in deep ways. And I try to bring an understanding of cultural frameworks and systemic oppression and other things to this work because it's very sacred. From my opinion, doing our purpose is super sacred work. And so the things you'll see on this channel are things like about praxis and theory of how do we do our work and how do we follow our calling, given that it's an unfair situation at times. I also like to discuss things like human design, hand analysis, and kolbe, as these are tools that really help us understand our own alignment, and maybe they can help you too. I also will be documenting some of my own reclamation journey around cultural context and helping people do the same. And this reclaim is an idea of especially around, for instance, for me, part of the recovery of Asianness and so on. These other layers that are pertinent and real. And then I'm also in the process of creating some new dance pieces, a vision of bringing Bharata Natyam to life in reimagined ways and decolonized ways. And it's a really important aspect to my journey. So I hope to share some of the snippets here. And finally, I bring together these new ways of storytelling in our own lives, from shadow to possibilities, and I bring together my own background in biology, rhetoric, teaching, and so on, all in this rich framework of how can we actually do our work in the world, in whatever your work is, however you define that. And I infuse that with my own knowledge from looking at how the British colonized India, and that's been part of my reclamation and part of my journey to reclaim this dance form. So I am a role model for what I teach, and I really hope that you will find something of value in these words and on the content of this page to help you become free and to do the work you were born to do, to live the life you were born to lead, and to have the relationships you were born to have. Thanks so much.